Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal with Glorious Grace Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to get that wave effect on your beach cups using Bombay ink and Brite Tone. So a lot of people have a hard time getting the cell look or the wave crash look. This is what I do. So I put a layer of Brite Tone on. I'm just using a cup that I use to practice techniques on. You've seen this cup in an earlier video where I was playing around with alcohol inks. So after I put on the layer of Brite Tone, I put a couple drops or a drop of white Bombay ink on the cup, and then I just start blowing it around with a straw. So here, you're just going to play with it and blow through that straw until you get the look that you want. You can even blow through it a little bit, give it a couple, like a minute, not even, maybe 30 seconds to dry just a tiny bit, and then continue blowing through it because it'll move different as it dries. So I just wanted to show you how it works with the Brite Tone. It's a water-based product. Bombay inks is. You would not be able to do this with alcohol inks. So if you see there, I'm just using that straw, and that Brite Tone is helping that Bombay ink move around so you can kind of get the look that you want. You'll just need to play with it. That one at the bottom has started to dry just a tiny bit. And I'll also add a couple of photos I took after several minutes of it drying. But yeah, so this gives a great look to me. I feel like it looks realistic on a beach cup. And it's not hard to do. You just got to work with it. Sometimes we try something and it doesn't look right and we give up on it. Trust the process and just keep working with it and you'll get great results.